Today, I'm going to show you how to add time and date fields in Google Forms. This is particularly useful when you're creating appointment scheduling forms, booking systems, or any form where you need to collect specific timing information from respondents. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. You'll need to sign in with your Google account credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Google Forms dashboard where you can access existing forms or create new ones. On the home page, locate and click on the blank form option. This will create a fresh, new form for you to work with. You'll be taken to the form editor where you can start building your form from scratch. At the top of your new form, you'll see a field labeled Untitled Form. Click on this field and type in a title that reflects the purpose of your form. For example, you could name it Appointment Schedule or something similar that clearly indicates what the form is for. This title will appear at the top of your form and helps respondents understand what they're filling out. Next, you'll see your first question section labeled Untitled Question. Click on the drop-down menu that appears right beside Untitled Question. This drop-down contains all the different question types Google Forms offers. From this menu, select Date. This changes your question field into a date picker, which makes it easy for respondents to select a specific date. In the question field, type your question. For example, you might ask, "What date are you available?" This clearly communicates to your respondents what information you need from them. The date field will automatically provide a calendar interface for easy date selection. Now it's time to add your time question. Look for the plus icon, which represents the Add Question button. Click on it to create a new question field below your date question. For this new question, click on the drop-down menu again and select Time from the available options. This transforms the question into a time picker field, allowing respondents to specify exact hours and minutes. In the question field, type your time-related question, such as "What time are you available?" This pairs perfectly with your date question, giving you complete scheduling information from your respondents. To make sure everything is working correctly, click on the Preview button, which is typically represented by an eye icon at the top of your form. This opens your form in a new window, showing you exactly what respondents will see. You can test both the date and time fields to ensure they function as expected. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google form with both date and time fields, perfect for collecting scheduling information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.